All right, I'm finishing up my nautical modern little baby blanket here with a ribbed border. So I just want to show you how I started it in case the written instructions are unclear. I go ahead and I pulled up a loop right here in the corner on one of the sides and I chained 3. Then I've worked 2 double crochet into each one of these stitches on the side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus the chain 3 right here in the corner. Then there's 10 for every one of the white, and then the blue, and then this section all the way up the side. And I stopped right here in the corner, except notice that this section only I needed 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I was to the corner. I don't know why it turned out that way, but that's the way it is. Just make sure you get a chain. Your last stitch is 2 double crochet, then a double crochet right here in the corner. You're going to chain 3 and turn. So I've worked this whole complete side all at once, okay, for 7 rows back and forth. When I came back to this side, and this is what I'm going to show you because I've just finished the second side, and I'm going to show you now how I turn the corners because I like this squared off look for my blanket. I'll be finishing it with one round of single crochet. Okay, so I've just done 7 rows of the rib stitched and I'm ready to turn the corner. And before I go further, let me show you what it looks like to do this ribbing really quick. It's super easy. So in case you've never seen it, what a front post double crochet is, which I'm just simply inserting my hook around the post, and a back post double crochet. You turn your work over so you can kind of see it like that. Okay, here's the front post again. And I've got one more in the back hiding over here. Make sure you don't miss it. And for each row, I've always done a chain 3 in turn. So this time, if I was continuing on, say it was a different row, just go right in that space. I don't waste time working into a chain. I don't think it's important. Just go ahead and slip stitch and then 1, 2, 3. Now, if I was turning my work and working another row, I would go ahead, turn it, and start working my, double crochet right around this post. But I want to turn the corner. So in order to do that, now my chain 3, I'm just going to have it start this way. And I am going to work double crochet into the side of that last row. So if you can see what I'm doing there, that's all. I'm going to work 2, and I kind of spread them out, but it's 2 per post. So, and that chain 3 counts as your first one. And let me see, yeah. Sorry, the blanket is heavy and kind of a little bit heavy and kind of falling off the table here as I go. So, and I want to make sure you can see this. So I'm checking that I'm right underneath the camera. Okay. So here we go, another one. And mainly the important thing is to just kind of keep these spread out. I was wondering if it really mattered exactly how many, just kind of keep them evenly spaced around the posts. So it's kind of like it's turning out, and I think this was happened. It's like 1 here, 2 this one, 1 this one, then 2, then 1, and now I'll do 2 on this last one. So it wasn't exactly 2 per post, and that's okay. Okay, now we're to this other side. So I am going to go ahead, since this is the corner stitch, I'm just going to go ahead and work 2 of them right here into this first stitch. And then I'm going to skip over, try and find that next. It's a little bit bulky, but I'll find that next space, and it's kind of big. Pull it tight through there and work and get my 2 double crochet in each space. Here's my next hole. And this is how I'm working down this side. It was a lot easier to work the 2 double crochet on the ends of the blanket because you clearly can see a little bit what stitch to work into. But this isn't so bad. You just have kind of a little bit of bulk to work over. And I'm going to work this just like this all the way down the side of the blanket. When I get to the end, I'll chain 3 and turn, and I'll start working front post, alternating front post and back post double crochet. So one more thing to show you before I go then is, so on this end, just so you can see how the 2 double crochet are worked in between the what are we calling these? The modified daisy stitch. I've got 2 double crochet right there. So hopefully that will really help you figure out how to get this beautiful border done on this blanket. And I absolutely love it, and I can't wait for it to be finished. And like I say, I'm going to be working 1 row of single crochet around the whole entire thing. Okay, thank you so much for coming by my website and just always being so supportive of Daisy Farm Crafts. My daughter Hannah and I just are so enjoying designing cute baby blankets, and hopefully a little bit modern and still hopefully a little bit beginner friendly. And so thank you very much. Okay, bye.